welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Girl, I don't know if you noticed, but your girl is not really a middle part wearer, and I'm really not into the whole straight hair thing. But this one here is very much giving me blowout, honey. Dominican blowout. It's a nice texture that's giving, you know, when you just got that fresh perm and you go to a beautician and she goes through and cut them split ends off, honey, and then layer that thing. It's giving a whole lot of naturalness. Now this unit was sent over from Sam's Beauty, and it is their Studio Natural Deep Part Lace Wig, Studio Cut. Now, I believe this is their own brand, if I'm not mistaken, but never actually heard of this particular company prior to collabing with Sam's Beauty. Absolutely love jet black hair. Blacker the hair, the prettier to me it is. Black hair is just bomb. That's how I feel. This is a T-part wig, so it only had like the lace in the front that you need to cut off, and then it has this lace here in the middle. Now, you cannot change the parts. If anything, you can shift the wig if you like, but I think that this is pretty designed to be in the middle. The wig cap itself included 3 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, I believe, and then the elastic band, which I normally use. The best thing about this wig for me, sis, is the fact that I did not have to adhere it at all. I used no type of gels or anything to keep the wig down. I just tightened the elastic band so that it don't move. It don't go nowhere. The wig, it don't move. I also appreciated that it was not much that I had to do to the front of the wig. I just cut off the lace as close to my hairline as possible. I went in and did put a little of my lace tint spray just so that I could kind of mimic my skin tone and not be so fair or pale like. So I did go in and then I also added some concealer. I did go in and widen the part just a little. You're gonna see in the clip where I'm taking it and I'm doing it by hand, but I've been doing it for a while as far as wigs and things like that. If you're a newbie, baby, don't do that. Get you some tweezers or something like that and go in and be very careful because you can possibly rip the lace. This wig did include baby hairs, and I did initially start off with baby hairs, but I just feel like this look looks so clean and chic without the baby hairs. This is giving me professional. Like, this is very much giving me, honey, I'm about to go on a job interview. I'm the front receptionist, administrative assistant at the job. It's giving very sleek, very chic, very natural. The feel of the hair, honey, touch that, pull it. Don't pull it too hard though, because you know it ain't glued in. You see how my hands just run through like butter, like silk. It's just so silky straight, and I love that. I did get a few snags here and there towards the back, and I feel like with time it probably would do so, but we talking about today, honey. I do get shedding, sis. That I'm not gonna lie about. It's not horrible, but it's there. This wig does come in different colors, so if you're not into just the jet black thing, they have options, boo. I absolutely love the whole layered look for me. I think that's what does it. I love that it's not too thick and giving synthetic-y, shiny, and just, oh, girl, I done seen some wigs where it's just like, yeah, I know a synthetical when I see one. Now, this one is a little, you know, I can't really tell. I'm not sure. It's one of them. It's giving that. The longest length is 26 inches. It's probably like mid-back. My head circumference is a 22 inch, and this fits perfectly. It does have a lot of room though, for the most part. So I'm gonna say that this is okay for the lemon head girls. I really do, but it's an average size cap. Include ear-to-ear Swiss lace. So as you can see, the Swiss lace here. And like I said, I didn't glue anything down, so that's why it's like that. But it's from ear to ear. So it's perfectly aligned. I didn't have to cut off anything extra. Very natural looking here when I have it down, in my opinion. But if you're curious, I know sometimes people like to try to do a little different styles. You would have to pluck a little extra, in my opinion, to give it more of a realistic hairline if you decided to put it back. If it's down like this, honey, it's pretty decent to me. And if you're not, you can go in and do a little plucking. But I just wanted to come as natural as possible. I wanted to do as less as possible just to show you that this is the perfect throw it on and go type of wig. Part is about 4.5 inches long, which is pretty deep. And when it's deep and back like that, it gives me, in my opinion, a more natural look. I would say that it's like the texture is in between the silky and yucky like, but you know, I'm not really good with all that texture, child. All I know is this wig is really cute, it's really affordable, it's very natural looking. So for my ladies who love the straight hair, long hair, straight hair, don't care, honey, this is definitely for you. Add this into your cart. If you're interested in getting your hands on a unit like this or anything from samsbeauty.com, I'm gonna go ahead and put my coupon code here. Say you a quantity boo, you welcome. If you're loving this wig on me, or if you loving this particular style or just wig videos in general, girl, go ahead and thumbs this video up. Get your girl on the YouTube algorithm. I have a whole playlist full of more wigs if you're into it. I do want to thank Sam's Beauty so very much for sending over this wig for me. If you're new here, boo, before you go ahead and subscribe, because I know you felt them good vibes. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to put this emoji here in the comments, boo. That's how I'm gonna know it's real. And I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.